G'day there and welcome back to the garden. Here is a zucchini plant and we've got two types of flowers here. We've got this one here and this one here, which you can see has the zucchini growing behind it. So this one here isn't going to grow a zucchini, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pollinate the other one. That's what this one's for. So the bees would normally come and sit on this flower and then pollinate the other one. So I'm just going to take the outside of the flower off. But apparently you can eat that, but I haven't done it. And then the female flower here, I'm going to put that inside. I might do this one here just to make sure it's pollinated. Probably has been, and just put the pollen inside like that. Usually they're open, so maybe I've left it a bit late, but anyway, that one there as well, a little bit open there so I can get in and do it. And there we go, they're pollinated, so that should be right now. So we've got some more zucchinis growing down the bottom here. But yeah, the flower, apparently you can cook it and eat it, but not something I've done. So there's a quick tip on pollinating zucchinis. Got a few more growing on this plant here too.